What's the one thing that all YouTubers have in common? I'll answer that in a second, but did you know that more people searched how to start a YouTube channel? 4,000 hours watch time, and 1,000 subscribers have to be completed in 12 months. If it is not done within 1 year, then your channel will not be able to monetize. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a new YouTube channel. I will show you this step by doing it in computer. You can also do it in mobile by turning on desktop mode in browser. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do and press the bell icon to get notifications of our amazing video. First of all, you will need an email from which you can open a new YouTube account. Step 1. Open YouTube on your mobile or desktop. Step 2. Sign in to YouTube on a computer or the mobile site. Step 3. Click your profile picture. Create a channel. Step 4. You'll be asked to create a channel. Step 5. Check the details, with your Google account name and photo, and confirm to create your channel. Boom! You have created a successfully YouTube account. So in the next video I will post how to upload videos by customizing YouTube channel.